Welcome to my channel, and today we are stepping into a world where engineering brilliance meets billionaire-style luxury. This is not just a motorhome, it's the 2026 BMW Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines how the elite travel the open road. Imagine the innovation and prestige of BMW automobiles, now expanded into a rolling mansion designed for those who expect nothing but the very best. This futuristic machine isn't just a vehicle. It's a billionaire's dream on wheels, merging cutting-edge technology, lavish design, and unmatched comfort into a single breathtaking experience. Let's explore every corner of this marvel, from its gourmet kitchen to its private bedroom suite, its spa-like bathroom, and the overall lifestyle it offers. Let's begin with the kitchen, which feels like a Michelin-starred restaurant condensed into the heart of a motorhome. The 2026 BMW Motorhome's kitchen is lined with smart cabinetry that opens with a gentle touch, revealing perfectly organized storage for every cooking tool imaginable. The countertops are sculpted from imported Italian marble, their smooth glow enhanced by hidden LED accent lighting. A state-of-the-art induction cooktop sits flush within the counter, paired with a built-in convection and steam oven, allowing gourmet meals to be prepared effortlessly on the move. The smart refrigerator not only preserves ingredients at perfect temperatures, but also has AI integration, suggesting recipes based on what's inside. A sleek espresso and beverage station adds a touch of everyday luxury, ensuring your morning coffee is crafted to perfection. Every surface has been designed to resist scratches and stains, keeping the space flawless no matter how much it's used. A whisper-quiet ventilation system keeps the air fresh while cooking, while pull-out drawers, soft close mechanisms, and built-in spice racks elevate the kitchen to a chef's playground. This isn't just a kitchen for the road. It's an Epicurean masterpiece designed to satisfy the tastes of billionaires who demand perfection in every bite. Moving to the bedroom, the BMW Motorhome turns rest into an art form. This suite is designed around a full king-sized bed with a handcrafted memory foam mattress layered with temperature-regulating technology, ensuring restful sleep in any climate. Elegant leather headboards with BMW's signature stitching rise behind the bed, complemented by ambient lighting that can be customized with a simple voice command. At the foot of the bed rests a retractable 65-inch 8K OLED smart TV, connected to a fully immersive surround sound system, transforming the space into a private cinema at will. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes with automated sliding doors provide abundant space for designer clothing, and the motorhome's advanced climate control keeps your belongings fresh and preserved. Soft carpeting underfoot, paired with handcrafted wood trims along the walls, evokes the feel of a five-star presidential suite. Each detail, from hidden USB-C charging hubs to wireless charging panels built into bedside tables, adds convenience without compromising luxury. With its calming colors, meticulous design, and the quiet hum of advanced insulation, this bedroom redefines the idea of rest while traveling. It's a private sanctuary that competes with the finest hotel suites in the world. Now, let's step into the bathroom, where BMW turns functionality into an oasis of spa-like indulgence. The full-sized walk-in shower features frameless glass doors and a rainfall shower head, with chromotherapy lighting that adjusts color to enhance relaxation or rejuvenation. The walls are lined with exotic stone tiles that shimmer under the soft lighting, while heated flooring ensures comfort no matter the season. Dual vanities with crystal-clear smart mirrors integrate touch displays, offering weather updates, news, or even streaming entertainment while you get ready. Each sink is crafted from polished stone, paired with sensor-activated faucets that deliver purified water. Storage drawers glide open smoothly, lined with velvet compartments for grooming essentials. A premium ceramic toilet system with self-cleaning technology adds both hygiene and convenience, while a heated towel rail keeps linens perfectly warm. Even the ventilation system includes aromatherapy features, infusing the space with calming scents. Every detail feels carefully designed to create not just a bathroom, but a personal spa retreat on wheels. Finally, looking at the 2026 BMW luxury motorhome as a whole, it embodies futuristic elegance and boundless freedom. With its sleek exterior design, aerodynamic body lines, and signature BMW styling, it stands out as a bold statement of wealth and taste. Inside, every corner is infused with luxury, from the driver's cockpit, equipped with AI-assisted navigation and autonomous driving, to the living spaces that rival private villas. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a moving symbol of innovation and sophistication. So, what do you think about the 2026 BMW Motorhome that truly redefines billionaire road trips? Would you take your next journey in this rolling palace? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tours of the most extraordinary vehicles in the world.